When it comes to animation, there's only one real purpose, right? To tell a story. So I have a challenge for you. Let me explain. Using ChatGPT, I created this character, starting from an image. Then I used Hyper 3D to generate the 3D model with textures, imported it into Maya, and voila. This is the result. I created a controller for the head, a controller for the neck rotation, and controllers to blink the eyes. You also have a controller for the body rotation, especially when he's flying, and a main controller for the whole body that you can manipulate as well. And I even made another controller just because. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just like my goal with Blue M Animations is to simplify the creative process and make storytelling more accessible, I want you to tell your own story. I'll be revealing my 30-second animation later this month. You'll find the link in the description, along with the link to download the character and more details about the challenge. So download it, open your software, and start animating. Tell your story, and don't forget to share it.